Let's learn A to Z tracing with ATK learning. A. Let's trace letter A. B. Let's trace letter B. C. Let's trace letter C. D. Let's trace letter D. E. Let's trace letter E. F. Let's trace letter F. G. Let's trace letter G. H. Let's trace letter H. I. Let's trace letter I. J. Let's trace letter J. K. Let's trace letter K. L. Let's trace letter L. M. Let's trace letter M. N. Let's trace letter N. O. Let's trace letter O. P. Let's trace letter P. Q. Let's trace letter Q. R. Let's trace letter R. S. Let's trace letter S. T. Let's trace letter T. U. Let's trace letter U. V. Let's trace letter V. W. Let's trace letter W. X. Let's trace letter X. Y. Let's trace letter Y. Z. Let's trace letter Z. Z. So watching kids, like and subscribe to ATK Learnings.